This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an oatmeal honey mask. Start by measuring 1/2 cup oats and blending to a fine powder. Mix with 2 tablespoons raw honey and 1 tablespoon warm water to form a spreadable paste. Apply gently to clean skin for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Pat dry and follow with moisturizer for best results. Gather simple pantry ingredients before you begin. Measure 1/2 cup oats, 2 tablespoons honey, and 1 tablespoon water so you stay organized. If your skin tolerates it, add 1 teaspoon plain yogurt for extra hydration or a few drops of tea tree oil for extra clarity. Keep a clean bowl and spoon ready and a towel for cleanup. Patch test any new add-ins on your wrist first. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet well. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts. I use them between mask sessions, and they're great for self-care routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start with freshly cleansed skin and a warm towel if you like. Apply a thin, even layer of the oatmeal honey paste, avoiding the eye area and lips. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes while you relax or read. Rinse with lukewarm water using circular motions to exfoliate lightly. Finish by patting skin dry and applying a lightweight moisturizer to seal in hydration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.